So you guys are probably like, oh gosh, Brandon, don't do that, get the tool you need or whatever. I don't fucking know. I don't care. I'm taking these bitches. All right, my guys. So the car has been down for like the past 2 days, and it kind of sucks because it's a weird feeling when you don't get to drive your car. The car, as you can see, all these codes right here, it just wouldn't even accelerate. The car was shaking, and I was like, oh God, it's broken. I did something to tune. The first thing I think about is like, oh, the tune messed up my car, right? I was able to pull over and the car started to idle, right? I quickly plugged in the OBD2 reader and found out that I had a misfire on cylinder 4. And so I bought spark plugs, got NGK Spark Plugs, which I'm gonna have a link for these in the description below. They're gonna be from Amazon, so not eBay, it will be Amazon, I promise. And I'm excited to install these. They were only $11 each, so it cost 48 bucks with tax. And the yeah, there's no reason to just buy one, just might as well replace all 4, right? For this guy, it's just a cap. It's really easy to get off. Okay, cool. Oh man, gotta set it nice. Don't want to scratch up the new car. Well, it's old, but that's the car that I'm gonna be working on, G35. Now you guys know. So you're gonna need an 8mm to get these guys off. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with this guy. If you guys can see it, that's awesome. You're gonna need a 14mm with an extension to get that out. There we go. All right, so that is the OEM one. And this is the NGK. So, yeah, I think it's safe to say that we needed to replace these. I just dropped it in there, man. And now I'm hand tightening it. This is the extension that I was using, but I did end up using my other extension because right here, it was easy to get out. All you have to do is to take this guy out. You just gotta like lift this up a little bit and then pop it out, right? But to get to it without taking off the tube, you need a longer extension. And this guy, as you can see, is more than enough. All right, so we went ahead and tightened this guy. So we're gonna get this put back in there. Again, you just lift it up, don't be shy. There we go. Don't be shy to manhandle your car, you know? All right, so here's my idea. To get this guy out, I can't really get this to lift up because this tube right here is connected to the intake. So I'm gonna pop it off of the intake right here. So now we can, okay, that's good, it's out of the way. I think that's enough room to yep. Get it over, there we go. Cool. Remember, this thing is rubber, so it bends. So I hope you guys saw that. Probably the easiest way to get that out. So you guys are probably like, oh gosh, Brandon, don't do that, get the tool you need or whatever. I don't fucking know. I don't care. I'm taking these bitches and dropping them in there. Tighten them up, and I will be okay. Okay. That's it. Don't forget to plug this guy back in like I almost did. Everything is back on, screwed, intake tubes back in. Good to go, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. That's a nice sound. All right, so I'm gonna take it for a drive. Before it was like shaking really bad. And okay, yeah, that feels way better than before. I mean, I'm barely pressing on the gas. The car's pretty sensitive. Awesome. Okay. That's one thing I like about this tune, man. It's been about 2 or 3 years, and since then, like, the car has still drove phenomenal, and you barely press on the gas pedal and it just goes. Like, if I just barely press on it right now, it just starts to creep up. So nice. And the car feels great. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, or if I missed anything in the steps of replacing the spark plugs on the car, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Just drop a comment below or email me. I have a personal email now for the YouTube channel. If you guys want to hit me up there, definitely hit me up there with all your questions. But again, I want to thank you guys again for all your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.